Hey 7th graders, today is the Ring Follow Me challenge. So I'm going to go over how to make those, and then you are going to turn one in that you made, or a couple of them that you made. So once again, delete that guy. First we're going to start with how to make a ring. You're going to come down to the rectangle tool and you're going to choose the circle. Click once anywhere between the red and green line and click again. Okay? Then once again, like we did with making the spheres, we're going to click the left arrow to turn it green. And we're going to come over just to the edge of our circle, and we're going to click once to set it, and then again, however big or small you want to make it. The smaller you make it, it makes it look more like a ring. The bigger you make it, it makes it look more like a donut. Okay? Then we're going to hit the select tool. We're going to choose this. The first circle that you made, and you're going to go to your Follow Me tool, and you're going to choose the second circle, and you can see it made a ring. Now, the last thing you have to do is choose the Select tool, choose that first circle in the middle, and then hit Delete on your keyboard, and then that makes it a full ring. Okay? Some of the cool things that you can do with this, and even the sphere, if we have a sphere again, is you can stretch them out. So once again, select one circle, follow me, the other one. Okay, so if I choose the ring and I go to the resize tool, I can actually stretch it out. And if you ever get lines like that when you're making a 3D print, you just erase them. Okay, you can also do that with a sphere. So if you select your whole sphere and you do the resize, you can stretch it out, you can flatten it out, make it look more like a pebble than a sphere. And again, that was the resize tool. Okay, to make more of a donut-looking sphere, you're going to make a circle, or a donut-looking ring. Again, hit the left arrow on your keyboard, click once on the right, make it really big. Now you can't intersect other objects, so make sure you don't intersect the other ring if you're making it on there. Okay, I'm going to choose the first one. I'm going to do Follow Me on the other one, and then that is more of a donut-looking ring. Okay. The other thing you can do with Follow Me tools, which is really cool, and this is part of your challenge today, is if you take your pencil, okay, and you just draw a shape. Now you gotta make sure, sometimes it switches axis, like that one. So I'm going to delete that because I want it to be all on the green and red axis. And you can see as I'm drawing it, it tells me which axis I'm on. Okay, and then I'm just going to connect it. And it should turn, or make it fill in. Okay, now I'm going to take my Follow Me, and it could be any of these shapes. I'm going to do a polygon. I'm going to hit the left arrow key, put it on one of the edges. Okay, choose my shape I made here. Do Follow Me to the other object, and you can see it made a really cool shape. And then I just always have to delete the part in the middle. You can keep the stuff in the middle. The only thing you need to do is make it 3D. So you may have to pull it up a little bit, okay, to make it 3D. Or if you want to make a box with an inside, see how that's dark gray? That wouldn't 3D print. Okay, if I want to make a shape that's 3D, all I would have to do is pull this up first. Then it's 3D, and then do the Follow Me around it. So I select the whole object. I do the Follow Me. Oh, try that again. Choose the guy on top. Choose Follow Me, and then you've got now your 3D shape. Okay, that will 3D print 3D. Okay. So your challenge is to make a really cool Follow Me shape. So once again, if you want to change the size of your polygon, you can change it by just, after you choose it, type in, see it in the bottom right corner, it'll change the number of sides. You can do this with polygons, follow me. You can do it with basically any shape that you make. You can make a pretty cool 3D thing. Okay? Now again, if I was going to do a polygon, let's say I want to do a triangle, and I want to make sure the inside is 3D, like I want to make a little jewelry holder. Okay, once again, you've got to pull this up a little bit. Then do the other shape on it. On one of the top edges. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to hit the left arrow so it turns it. Draw it out. I'm going to choose the top. I'm going to do, oops, wrong button. I'm going to do the follow me. Oh, whatever I hit messed it up. So I'm going to do the top. I'll do the follow me around. And then it makes a really cool 3D shape. Okay. Any questions? Make sure you hop on Google Meet and ask me for help so that you can figure out how to make these follow me shapes, because it will be pertinent for you guys to make it for your projects and to turn one in today.